Hello guys, so I got the ticket from the Jewel and I'm going to go for not for a long walk, so but then the bridge and the canopy. So yeah, and I want to say that a lot of people was like using their master visa. So if you're using that one, you get a lot of advantages for that because it's like cheaper than if you're gonna buy a cash or what. So I mean, a lot of people was like using also the QR code, same in Bangkok as well. So let's go here. Have to pay for the entrance ticket. Yum yum, my God. My tummy, my anaconda. It's beautiful. The first attraction when you get off from the plane that you will see that you just have to walk. The best, the very best. The ticket and the picture, it's free. Okay, this is the canopy park now. Finally, it's cold here. It wasn't hot. Oh, this one is great one. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to ring the bell. All bell. Bye. Copyright, so no music. Alright, so hello everyone. For this video, it is not allowed to come to this bridge with your selfie stick. I don't understand how come. So anyway, so have to come still here and try to take a look with this closer, right? So let's go. This is another extra Singaporean dollars, just only to pass by to this bridge, just like this. I thought you're gonna go down to this one, so it's not. And this is the end. When you walk to this bridge, it's like this. So you have to go back again. They just divided the place and then you have to pay by 10, 20, and 15. This looks like only like at Nong Nooch Garden, as you can see here. But it's beautiful. In every country, there's like a different interior and how they do their own landscape version of their own country, as you can see here. A lot of local people also are coming to this place because this is the first attraction upon getting off to the airport, as what you can see in here. And if you're capable of roaming around and you don't have problems with your knees and you're still interested with a lot of activities that they are offering, why not pay? And also there's like a cameraman who's like asking you to take some pictures. It's up to you if you want to grab it. It's cost like almost $50. Finally here, Jewel Blue. Oh, no.
The other one is a receipt.
Oh, the other one, alright. White.